Today, we're stepping into the future of eyewear. Smart glasses. Yep, the ones that make you feel like a mix of Tony Stark and a secret agent. These futuristic frames are quietly changing the way we interact with the world, one blink at a time. Let's rewind to 2013, when Google launched its bold experiment, the Google Glass Explorer. It was their first attempt to turn sci-fi into reality. Think smartwatches, but on your face. Sadly, it flopped. Why? Well, it looked a little too sci-fi, felt uncomfortable, and came with a not-so-cute $1,500 price tag. Unsurprisingly, it didn't make it past 18 months. Ouch! But the dream didn't die. In fact, smart glasses have leveled up since then. Instead of clunky keyboards or endless tapping, you can control them by touching the frame, swiping, or just talking. Like whispering sweet nothings to Alexa or Siri. Some even pair with devices like smart rings, super spy vibes, right? Under the hood, they're tiny tech powerhouses. With built-in displays, sensors, Wi-Fi, microphones, and even cameras, they can do way more than look cool. A mini projector shines light onto a lens that reflects right into your eye. No magic, just clever engineering. It's like having a tiny cinema on your face. Older models used curved mirrors to bounce that image into your eyes. Effective? Yes. Stylish? Not really. Think bulky sci-fi goggles, but modern ones use fancy waveguide tech that bends light across a thin piece of glass. Translation? They look way sleeker, and you won't feel like a cyborg in public. Now here's the fun part. What can they actually do? AR smart glasses let you blend digital stuff with your real-world view. Imagine walking down the street and seeing your calendar, weather updates, or directions pop up in front of your eyes. Kinda like living inside your phone, but hands-free. They're also game changers for professionals. In medicine, students can practice surgeries on virtual bodies, no cadavers required. And engineers, they can design in 3D space like it's no big deal. Everyday life gets a boost too. Check the news, reply to texts, or get reminders. All without lifting a finger. Lazy? Maybe. Efficient? Absolutely. And yes, we're still in early days, but things are getting exciting. Big names like Google, Xiaomi, and Focals are pushing prototypes. Early smart glasses were clunky, but the latest versions are getting slimmer by the day. There's even talk of ditching the projector entirely and projecting the image directly onto the lens. Mind was blown. Of course, with great tech comes great responsibility. There's a bit of a creep factor. What if someone uses them to secretly record or snap pics of you? Feels very James Bond meets digital stalker. But don't worry, most people are too busy trying to figure out how to charge them properly. And hey, if this sparked your inner gadget geek, hit that like button and subscribe for more futuristic fun. Because let's be honest, your future self already did.